Hi folks, I'm Brent and this is episode 8 of my 18 Marketing Tips over 18 Days series, where I talk about a piece of marketing knowledge that's perhaps not so well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. In this episode, I'm going to talk more about the presentation of sale prices. I talked about this a few weeks ago. I'm going to bundle two tips together because they're quite small tips. This is relevant for online and offline. The first thing is always highlight a discount. This way it's more salient than when it's not highlighted. If you look at this example here, you'll see that the sale price of $159.99 is highlighted in red. You always want to do that. It makes the sale price more salient and it gets a better response from consumers. The second thing is always put the sale price on the right-hand side. It makes it easier for consumers to compare the value and aid computation, and it also gets greater engagement that way. Short and sweet, I'm Brent. Thanks for watching. See you next time.